Samsung Galaxy S23 may have satellite communication feature. Samsung is working with Iridium, a global satellite communications company, to bring the new Samsung Galaxy S23 model. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 is expected to launch early next year with various new features, including the ability to support satellite communication. As per reports, Samsung is working with Iridium, a global satellite communications company. It is expected that the feature will have limitations as the smartphones will only have a small antenna. However, it will be enough to contact others in case of no cell signals. As the launch is coming closer, there are multiple rumors regarding the new phones. If reports are to be believed, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will probably have a screen that can reach up to 2150 or higher nits of brightness. Currently, iPhone 14 has the satellite communication feature and the brightest smartphone screen with 2000 nits.